Hi there, my name's Lee Arnold, the broker owner of Benchmark Properties. I want to welcome you today to this beautiful corner lot Fallbrook home in the avocado capital of the world. Let's go on a tour and check out this beautiful home. Here in the front room we have a formal dining area, living room, and behind me we have this gorgeous kitchen. Come on in, let's check it out. Here in this beautifully renovated kitchen you have quartz countertops, upgraded shaker cabinets with soft close and pull-outs throughout all of the pantry. Additionally, on the first floor, you have a living room with a fireplace, laundry room, and a full bedroom and bathroom, with the bedroom having a sliding glass door that goes right out to this beautiful lap door. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath home boasts 2,437 square feet. The newly renovated kitchen features tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Now I want to take you upstairs to the other 4 bedrooms in the loft, so let's go and check it out. Here at the top of the stairs you have an oversized loft with 4 bedrooms, including the master bedroom. The master bedroom features a walk-in closet, separate shower tub, and a balcony overlooking the pool. Let's go check it out. The backyard features an oversized swimming pool with an automatic cover. Additionally, there are mature trees and pavers throughout the backyard. I hope you enjoyed your tour today. If you have any questions about this home or any of the properties we have coming available, give us a call at 760-849-4401 or visit us online or social media at benchmarksocal.com.